Hey guys!
Hey.
Today we're reviewing Magic Tracks. This is part of the track. What makes this track different from other tracks is that it comes in several little pieces which can pull apart and go back together.
Click on.
And they snap together really easy, but there's also a lot of play in them which allows them to twist. So we'll show you the track.
That's where the batteries go.
What kind of batteries does it take?
AAA.
How many?
3.
And how do you get them off?
You're just gonna need a tiny screw top. You have to unscrew this and then you take them out. And this is how you turn it on. That red button is camouflaged. And my brother's blue one is camouflaged too. Kinda hard to see. But that lower go, you press that button and it starts going. And they just click on like this. And click it off. The brand on Amazon is Twister Track. Ranges like $20 and $40.
There are a couple different versions. One version has loops and bridges. We haven't tried that one yet, but we may review it in the future.
Thanks for watching. I didn't know, Mom. He got it.